Every few years, a new piece of technology sparks the same fear. Will this replace us? Will this automate the job? Is this the end? And AI is just the latest version of that story. And like most stories in this industry, it's only half true. See, AI won't replace mortgage brokers, but it will replace brokers who refuse to adapt. That is the real conversation that needs to be had here. So let's talk about what AI is actually good at. You see, AI is excellent at handling volume, repetition, and pattern-based work. So things like drafting emails, summarizing information, reviewing explanations, organizing data, speeding up admin. This is why it feels threatening, because a lot of brokers' days are filled with tasks that look like they could be automated. But here is the real key distinction. Let's talk about what AI cannot replace. You see, AI cannot build trust in uncertain situations. It can't interpret nuance and emotion. It can't guide clients through fear-based decisions. It can't take responsibility for regulated advice. And it cannot be accountable when something goes wrong. You see, mortgages aren't a logical only decision, no matter how much people will tell you that. But they are actually an emotional, stressful, and personal decision. Clients don't just want answers, they want reassurance, they want judgment, and they want confidence. And that's where brokers still matter massively, way more than people realize. But this is where brokers get this wrong. The brokers who are most worried about AI tend to fall into one of two camps. Either they've built businesses around admin heavy processes, or they've positioned themselves as information only. Both, by the way, are valuable. But if your value is, here's the information you asked for, then AI will eventually do that faster for you. If your value is, I help you decide, understand, and move forward with confidence, AI strengthens you, it doesn't replace you. So then how can AI actually help brokers grow? Well, used properly, AI becomes leverage. It allows brokers to spend less time on admin, communicate more clearly, stay consistent with content, follow up better, and scale their output without burning out. Now, that doesn't reduce your value, it concentrates it into a very specific area. You spend more time advising and less time just typing away. And that is real growth. The brokers who benefit most from AI are not the most technical ones, the most structured ones. They already have very clear processes. They know their role in the client journey. They use AI as a support tool, not a decision maker, and they keep humans at the center of the advice. See, they don't ask, what can AI do instead of me? They ask, what can AI remove so I can do my job better? That is the mindset shift that changes everything. So let's talk about what AI will actually replace. You see, AI will replace inefficient processes massively. It's going to remove that repetitive admin task. It's going to get rid of generic, boring content, and it's going to remove the low effort communication. But it's not going to replace trust, accountability, human judgment, and good advisors. Technology always removes friction, but it doesn't remove people, not the good ones anyway. See, the real lesson here is that AI isn't going to replace mortgage brokers. It's here to raise the standards up. So the brokers who lean into structure, clarity, and better systems, they will grow faster with it. But the brokers who resist change will feel squeezed and eventually pushed out of the market. And then they're going to moan about it. But the choice isn't AI versus broker, though. The choice is stagnation versus evolution. And the brokers who evolve won't just survive, they'll build calmer, more efficient, and more profitable businesses because of it. Now, if you want to know how AI can help you speed up with your admin work, you want to check out this video on screen where I break that down in detail. Give it a click.